My prediction is yours is going to be killer because you didn't say anything and you just like bought it blindly and didn't even try at all.
Yeah, that's why.
And then I tried and mine's going to be like a total flop.
Hey fam, welcome back. Look who's back together once again.
We're here.
So, we've got some exciting packages to open today. We've got Goodfair boxes, and if you don't know what that is, it's basically an online thrift store. This sounds scripted and advertisement-y, but this is not an advertisement, it's just for fun. So, we both got the sweatshirt bundle. There should be 4 sweatshirts in here. So we both did crew neck, I think. Did I do crew neck or did I do hoodie?
It's been so long, I don't know. These have been sitting with you for weeks.
Yeah, we've been waiting to open these for quite a while now. But I didn't know when I was buying mine that you can specify what you want. So
to an extent.
Yeah.
To an extent. You could say your favorite color or different types of sweatshirts you might like, but you can't really pick exactly what you're getting.
So I didn't say anything because I didn't see that and I just bought it so fast like I always do. So mine is just entirely random.
Mine, I did ask for sweatshirts that had like state names on them. Again, I don't know if that's going to even be read or fulfilled, but that was my request. So the only thing we could specify is what type of sweatshirt it was.
Yeah.
That was it.
Like what kind of bundle you're
Can
getting.
we just open it?
Yeah,
I'm excited.
I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, I've waited
Don't
so
look
long for
inside.
this. I'm not, I'm just trying to pop it.
Blindly grab one.
You go first though. Okay.
I'm so nervous right now.
What does it say?
Gabby's goal. Gabby, I guess, is a giraffe, and she plays soccer.
Okay, wait, but that's kind of funny though.
So Gabby's goal, like, I mean, that makes it makes no sense whatsoever. But like,
it's funny.
It's funny because it's so unique. No one will be walking around wearing that.
Is this your box? Is this your box? No, it's a medium. This is my box.
Oh my gosh.
Woo, that's so cute. That is so cute.
So far specifying is, this is not a state. This is,
well, it's actually a city, but, you know. Wow, and the color? Okay.
All right, you go.
I'm gonna have
Man, I better have something made up for this. Oh, what is this up here? Oh, it's Ohio State.
That's cool.
2002 national champions, Ohio State Buckeyes. That's not bad.
No, I do like that one. I mean, it's not what you asked for, but...
Okay, go for it.
Okay. I'm trying to grab one that's on the top. Okay.
Oh!
Wow!
OMG.
That is sick.
That's so cool.
Look at that!
You better stick on it. There you go.
Secondhand, not second. Okay, whatever.
Yeah.
Look at that!
That's awesome.
That is so cool. I'm assuming it says American Bald Eagle. That's super cute. I love the color.
I love that.
That
It's
is
totally
nice.
nature.
That's crazy. Okay, go. This is so fun.
There better be 2 killer ones in the bottom. I'm going to the very bottom. I'm literally watching your reaction first before I. It's a rose. Is there a state named Rose? What the heck?
That one, it's okay, but like it looks very Old Navy.
I feel like
You just got a Fruit of the Loom.
I just got a Fruit of the Loom rose.
Yeah. Eh.
Eh.
Okay,
go for it.
Oh geez. Wait, is this the last one?
No.
Oh, no, there's 2 more, right?
Yeah.
Elder. Elder. Isn't Elder like a college or something?
I'm assuming.
I'm pretty sure it is. I mean, it's kind of cute. It's kind of cute.
I'm assuming it's a yeah.
Like I like the colors. That is kind of cute.
Yeah.
That works.
Yeah.
That works. I mean, not my favorite, but
Your eagle's my favorite by far.
that eagle was dope.
That eagle. I could not believe you got a bald eagle.
That's crazy.
Okay, last one. I'm so
Oh, I know
scared, you
what it
guys.
is. I know what it is.
You already know?
I have the color. Oh.
Oh, Caitlin's already cringing.
It's just plain.
I got a solid red sweatshirt. I've been waiting weeks for this box.
You got like a color theme going on here.
And I asked I asked
Okay.
for. It's so funny.
Okay. Is there anything else in there?
Yeah, there's a little.
Oh, is there a sticker?
Yeah. You get a little
Aw.
Goodfair sticker. Not that you guys can see that at all.
I'll zoom in. I'm gonna put that on my hydro. That's cute. Oh, I got a red one too.
What did you get? DuPont Manuel
Man.
Crimsons.
Huh. I've heard of that place, school thing.
Huh.
That one's not bad.
That one's not
That
bad.
one's not bad.
No.
I got a good red one. You got it.
Well, I got solid. If you like no prints, and then mine was the one for you. You did good
I
in
did
your
good.
box.
I
You
didn't
really
even
did good.
specify anything.
Yeah, apparently don't specify, because if you ask for state sweatshirts, you'll get a giraffe. Or nothing at all.
Or this one. This one's pretty cool.
Or that one.
That one's pretty cool.
That's gonna have to be the closest to what I asked for.
Okay. All right, now that you've seen what we've got, it is time to give you a little fashion runway show try-on haul. Let's get into it.